Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see we have part 2 of my review for VIPCrossStitch, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, they'll go right in here. So let's just start on the top and pick one. So they're all Joy Sunday kits. Let me see if I can get it across. And it does come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag, just like all 3 of them. So let's see which one is first. All right. So we have Peony in Full Bloom. It is 26 by 26, 14 count. And it was $5.83. So there is some light back stitching in this. It tends to just kind of go around things, so it's not real difficult back stitching. Very nice. Let's see, we have 22 colors. We have full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. It's 102 by 105. Very nicely illustrated, but as you can see, it just kind of goes, the back stitching goes around the flower. So, not too complicated. Let's take a look at the colors. Whoop, if I can get a hold of them all. Everybody's going every which way. So, don't have any 310 black in this. And no 3865 or B5200. Beautiful pinks and greens, kind of a goldish orange, if you will. So not a lot of threads here because it's not too big. It is a partial. You do not do the background. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Does come with 2 needles. It comes on the wonderful thread card with the product number, how many threads you have, DMC, and the thread card number. So let's take a look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. Let me get it going in the right direction. Very well printed. Hold it as still as I possibly can. And it only had 1 set of numbers, but this is very nice, very easy to see. So you shouldn't have a problem there. So you have your full stitch, full stitch across the bottom, French knot, and your back stitches. Let's take a measure. It is almost 26 centimeters, or a little over 10 inches by almost 10.5 inches, or 26.5 centimeters. The actual picture size is 7.5 inches, or 19 centimeters. Trying to figure out where I'm just going from there. This way it is a little over 7.25 inches, or 18.5 centimeters. So not too big, not too complicated. The back stitching will make this picture. Right now it looks kind of blobby, if you will, but once you get all the back stitching going here, there, and everywhere, it'll just make it all pop. So very nice indeed. I like that. All right, we're just going to pick another one right off the top. Joy Sunday bag. And yeah, I think I was in a flower mood when I picked these. So let's flip it over. Now this one has birds and butterflies, and it looks like light back stitching. It is 34 by 38, 14 count, birds and flowers, $8.96. All right, very pretty. I love all the purples, the blues, the pinks, greens. We have butterflies and birds. Just really screams spring, doesn't it? You know, is that a hopeful wish? All right, this is 150 by 170. You have both your product numbers here. We do have 2 sets of numbers. This has 58 colors. Wow. Okay. And it has full stitch, French knot, and back stitch. Top numbers go to the paper pattern. Bottom numbers go to the canvas. So let's see. We have 310 black. No 550 purple. We have 666 red. We have 814, which is a brick red, and so is 902. And we have that 3799, which is a pewter color, and we're using B5200 for the white. So not too bad. We'll just take it as it is, and this is also a partial. So let's look at the paper pattern. So as you can see, the back stitching is just like in the branches and a little bit on the bird tail, but not in the flowers. And it's on the other bird, little lines here, the butterfly, a little bit on the bird, like on his beak and right underneath his beak. So very nice. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. Yeah. Let's see what the colors look like. See if I can get them out of here. That's a lot of colors. Holy cow. So we have 2 thread cards. We're just going to fold that down a bit so it doesn't come out. It does have 2 needles on the same kind of thread card as the last one. Beautiful pinks, blues. There is that pewter color, kind of a bluish purple, kind of a seafoam green, and your B5200. Pinks, greens, blues, reds. There's that 902 I was talking about. It's kind of a bricky red. Just beautiful. Beautiful. And here is the 814 that I told you was also brick red. But we have yellows, and we have rust colors, pale pink, kind of an off-white here. Just gorgeous array of colors. Even purples. But no B52, or 550 purple. 550 purple. But beautiful colors, though. So they should be nice and vivid on the canvas. I just love the birds. This canvas is serged all the way around. I'm trying to figure out which way it goes. So you only stitch where it's printed, except for, you know, your background lines you don't do. So it should be very simple to do. Now the key on this one is a bit small, so it's nice that they have that in the paper pattern. You have your full colors here. You have your back stitching here. And this is the rest of the full colors. They go all the way down, and here's your French knots. So very nice. Let's take a measure. I'm turning it sideways because it doesn't want to lay flat-ish. So 15 inches or 38 centimeters. And this way it is a little over 35 centimeters or almost 14 inches. The actual picture size is 10 3/4 inches or 27 centimeters by 31 centimeters or almost 12 1/4 inches. So not too big. And I'll show you the canvas here. I'm trying to roll everything up. But very nicely printed. Very easy to see symbols. Typical Joy Sunday. It's just beautiful. Hasn't been wet and no smudges, no smears. Awesome. Okay, last one, guys. And this one seems a little bit bigger for some reason. We'll see what it is. If I could just get it out of here. Hold, please. operator errors. And, of course, we have more flowers. I just thought this was beautiful. It has, they're calling this a rose, and this is a tulip. So Moonflower and tulip, 38 by 38. Not that much bigger. And was $9.04, 14 count. It is printed. So you have some lovely pinks and reds, greens. I don't know if that's 310 black there. I just thought it had a kind of an interesting background. Now me, I would have just done a solid black because the flowers themselves are already busy, but it's just interesting, so why not, right? Let's see. I was looking for I guess we don't have one of those, but very well printed, nice and easy to see. A little bit of back stitching on the leaves. Let's flip it here. So it's mainly on the leaves, a little bit around those big flowers. And we have, I'm looking. Okay, so we have 2 sets of numbers. We have a total of 35 colors. This key goes to the canvas, and this one goes to the paper pattern. So you have 33 colors in full stitch. You have 2 half stitches and 4 back stitches for a total of 35 colors. And this is split into 6 different sections. Boy, that background's gonna drive you batty, ain't it? I'm looking. So this symbol right here, this slash mark, and the one that's kind of going at a diagonal this way, those are half cross stitches. So the number 2, which is 310 black, is going to be full stitch. So that's kind of different. So it'll give it kind of a different texture, if you will. So we have 310 black. We have 321 red, which is my Christmas red. No, 550 purple, of course. We have 666 red, 3777, I think, is a brick red. We'll have to look at it here in a minute. And we're using B5200 for the white. And we'll just have to see. So they're using some black in there. Kind of weird. Kind of a weird pattern. But it will be beautiful. All those flowers are just going to jump right out of there with that blackish background. Okay, we have 2 thread cards and 2 needles on the same kind of thread card as the last 2. And let me fold that down. All right. So here's your extra 310 black. 777 is a brick red. B5200. No, 3865. And we have kind of a tan, I don't know, kind of a taupe color in a medium. Beautiful colors. There's your 814 red right here, 666 red. Just beautiful. Now here, it's kind of a medium brick red, that 3777. I've used that before. But beautiful greens, reds, pinks, whites, tans. Just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. We're going to fold that up and put that up there. And all of the product numbers are on those thread cards. So that's kind of nice to have in case you set it down or you take a couple things out. You know that it goes with this kit because that same product number is on the canvas and on your paper. Nice, big, huge key running across the bottom all the way up. And then we have your 2 half stitches and your 4 back stitches. Very simple, easy to do cross stitch because it's not confettied at all. Things are in rivers. This would be an absolute breeze to do. And you only have 2 colors in half cross stitch. So you can't go wrong with that. Did I say it was serged? They're always serged. It's almost 15.5 inches, or a little over 39 centimeters by 37 and almost 37.5. It's hard to call. Or 14 3/4 inches. Actual picture size is almost 12 inches or 30 centimeters by a little over 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters. So it's pretty close to being square. But yeah, I'm thrilled with this, that it's not complicated, no confetti. You can just sit and stitch. Just absolutely beautiful. Very well done. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for the kits this week and last week. They are all stunning. Thank you so much. Now, VIPCrossStitch only has stitchy things like embroidery and cross-stitch, beaded cross-stitch. No diamond painting or paint by number. They always have great prices and great selection. I have ordered from them personally. They have lovely customer service. They get right on it. If something's wrong or something's wet or whatever, they will get back to you and replace whatever is wrong. So do check them out. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.